Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you that the device comes with a charger brick inside the box by default. So now we'll just open the box, and here, as can you see, we got the device charger. We'll see. As can you see, that's the original charger brick from the XIAOMI. Here you can see the specs. That's a 65 volt, and also you can check here more specifications from this charger I think on the right side of the charger. So as can you see, the XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G comes with the charger brick inside the box by default. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.